guys, this is Sarvesh. Welcome to my channel Sarvesh Trix. So today I got a new cube and this looks like a 3x3 cube, isn't it? But it is not a 3x3 cube. This cube's name is the snake cube. So basically it looks like a snake when you shuffle it. So today we are going to learn how to solve this snake cube. So come on, let's hop into the video. So this is the scrambled snake cube. Now you have to spread this snake cube like this. You need to make it like the alphabets of M and W's. So I'm making it spread out. 1 second. Yes. Now you have to take a M in the right side, but it should not be this kind of M. It should be a M with this thing short. So this is the right M. Now I'll show you how to solve it. So first you take it up and then turn this M upside down like this, and turn this L 3 times like this, and turn only this line 180 degrees. So like this. Now hold this and turn it like this. Fine. After turning, you keep it down and then push this like this. After pushing it like that, turn this twice and then it will form something like an L in the down. Okay, after turning it like this, turn the whole thing like this and make it the first two layers in these two sides. After doing that, make this go down here, so it will go down here, and then turn this M top like this. Now turn this thing like this and turn the top part like that, and then just press it and it will go, and then your snake cube is solved. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you like my video, please like and share. Please subscribe my channel Sarvesh Trix and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos I upload. Thank you. Bye bye.